Good evening, basketball fans! At muli naman kaming nagbabalik, mga kasurog. Ito pa rin ang inyong paboritong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. Sa mga gustong manood ng ating live action here, welcome na welcome po kayo. Free admission dito sa Municipality Covered Court ng Sipokot para sa ating huling laro ngayong gabi ng ating Bigat 10 quarterfinals. Pasadahan ulit natin, Coach JP, ang mga teams na nanguna sa ating AKB Cup quarterfinal standings. Sa ating bracket A, mga kasurog, makikita natin sa screen, still leading with 2 wins and no loss ang Team Naga, no? The powerhouse kung tawagin, followed by Team Nabua with 1 win and 1 defeat just a while ago, no, after losing 1 game from Sangay. Now, next in line is the opponent of Team Naga, Lupi, with 1 win and 1 loss, and Bilaor with 0 win and 2 losses, and Sangay gaining their first win just a while ago on our very exciting matchup and 1 loss. Coach JP, ano naman sa bracket B ang ating standing?
Dito naman sa bracket B, Kamaligan with 2 wins and 0 loss. Iriga with 1 win and 0 loss. San Fernando with 1 wins and 1 loss. Goa with 0 wins and 1 loss. And De Gallego with 0 wins and 2 loss.
Yeah, and so I think this standing shows that these Bigatin are indeed formidable teams after eliminating 26 other teams. At para naman sa ating huling laro, mga kasurog, ngayong gabi, magtatapatan ang kupunan ng Lupi kontra sa kupunan ng Naga. Bago natin makalimutan, partner, magpakilala muna tayong muli para sa mga kaka-tune in lang. Ako nga pala si Angelo Espinosilia, ang inyong basketball play-by-play commentator.
And ako naman si Coach JP Diswangko. Ako naman ang inyong basketball analyst.
Yan, magandang gabi sa iyo, kasurog Coach JP.
Magandang gabi sa iyo.
And
Jello.
magandang gabi sa ating mga viewers, no, sa Facebook, sa YouTube, no, and sa mga channels ng ni Rep Saldico at Ako Bicol Online TV. So Coach JP, no, pag-usapan natin ang upcoming game ng Naga versus Team Lupi. In their previous game, Team Lupi and Team Naga had their intense jaw-breaking plays, diba? Gitgitan yung labanan, no, ng Team Lupi against Team Nabua, at mas lalong gitgitan yung Team Sangay versus Team Naga. No? Ano kaya yung magagawa nila para mag-step up sa ating Bigatin quarterfinals ngayong gabi?
Yes, and dito naman sa part ng Naga, sabi nga natin kanina, powerhouse itong Team Naga. So they just need to practice their routines, especially yung mga set plays nila. And they need not to be consistent when it comes to playing basketball. But rather, they need to be consistent with their offense and defense. And dito naman sa part ng Team Lupi, I think yung Layosa, yung bumubuhat dito sa team. They need to prepare for the Team Naga for today.
And for sure, Coach JP, they prepared hard and so well for this game, no? Just like their game in Nabua, no? The underrated, the underdogs, Team Lupi, may rise to the occasion, di ba? In any kind of sports, despite a powerhouse fighting against an underdog, upsets may occur, no, in no time. So yan, bago pa natin i-discuss ang susunod na laro kasi hindi pa natin nakikita, puntahan muna natin ang ating very dedicated and enthusiastic na courtside reporter na si Carmela Hernandez. Carmela, take it away.
Ayan, thank you so much Coach JP and Coach Jello, at magandang gabi mga kasurog. This is Carmela Hernandez, your courtside reporter, and right now nasa 5th day na nga tayo ng ating quarterfinals and we're about to begin our second game for tonight. Bakbakan sa pagitan ng Naga and Lupi, and presently we have here with me the coaches of both teams. Unahin muna natin ang Team Naga. We have here Coach Shano Morano. So Coach, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Kamusta po kayo ngayon?
Mabuti naman. Thank you.
Alright, that's good to hear, Coach. So, Coach, this is your 3rd game dito sa ating quarterfinals. And as of now, we already know na ang standing nyo is still 2-0. So, ano ba yung preparation nyo for tonight's matchup?
We try to be consistent still, especially on defense. Kasi meron pa rin mga lapses. Saka ang mantra kasi namin as a team is offense wins a game, but defense wins a championship. So, yun ang palaging sinasabi naman sa mga boys namin, that we have to be consistent during practice and then try to execute it during the actual game.
Ayan, very well said, Coach. And by the way, we are live. May gusto ka po bang batiin, lalong-lalo na sa mga supporters ng Team Naga?
Yeah, papasalamat lang kami sa suporta ni Mayor Nelson Legacion, sa lahat ng mga coaches, saka mga supporters namin, especially yung mga donors namin. Maraming salamat.
Alright, maraming salamat, Coach. And right now, dito naman sa Team Lupi, we have Coach Rodel Badil. So, Coach, magandang gabi po. How are you today?
Thank you. Magandang gabi rin. Thank you.
And so, Coach, ano naman po yung baon nyo for tonight? Ano ba yung gagawin yung play style o strategy para may panalo ang gabing ito?
Sa amin naman, napag-usapan namin, may gagawin lang kaming sa game plan namin, susundin namin. At saka yung tulong-tulong lang kasi medyo undersized kami versus Naga ngayon. Sa height, talagang talo kami. Pero sabi nga namin, pag tulong-tulong kami, baka mabigyan ng magandang laban.
Ayan, maraming salamat po, coaches. At ayan na nga mga kasurog, narinig na natin ang both coaches ng both teams. Kaya stick around dahil magsisimula na ang bakbakan na ito. And you can also watch us Aku Bicol Party List page, Aku Bicol Online TV at sa page ng Representative Zaldico and also in our YouTube channel, Aku Bicol Cup. Kaya let's begin this matchup. Balik sa inyo, Coach JP and Coach Jello.
Thank you so much,
Yes.
Carmela. Napagandang insight for our both coaches from Team Naga and Team Lupi. Kumbaga, I want to reiterate, Coach JP, yung sinabi. No? This is my first time hearing this statement, no, from Coach of Naga. Offense will win you the game, but defense will win you the championship. No? Para it reminds me of childhood days when I was watching the slam dunk, no, sabi ni Gory. He who controls the rebound controls the game. No? A
Yes,
very
totoo
unique
yan.
emphasis on the defense. So tingnan natin. While coach naman ng Team Lupi, sabi niya, despite being underdogs, no, height disadvantage and being a disadvantage when it comes to the body size, no, they will try to move the ball around and of course, no, improve their team coordination. So tingnan natin kung ano yung mangyayari sa bakbakan ngayong gabi. But with that, no, before we proceed any further, tingnan muna natin yung mga top players sa mga nakaraang laro. No? Ito yung tinatawag nating kasurog match-up. No? So sino sa both teams, Coach JP, ang ating
Yes.
kasurog player of the game?
Dito sa kasurug match-up of the games, meron tayo dito sa team ng Lupi, si Errol Layosa with a 94% dito sa 2 points average, and dito naman sa team Naga, Rufino Sablaon with 63%. And dito naman sa free throws, same, 100%. Nakakahanga tong dalawang to. Ibig sabihin, they're not missing dito sa free throw line. And from the rebounds, Errol with 4.5 and Sablaon with 2.5. And dito sa average points naman with 19.5% and 19.0 itong si Sablaon. Almost hindi nagkakalayo.
Tama, no? A very close match-up between our kasurog players for both teams. No, indeed, very accurate, and these are no ordinary players for both teams. Ayun na nga, no, as we were saying, hindi lang sila yung mga top players natin. Team Naga and Team Lupi is both composed of star players from their city and municipality. So tingnan natin ang overall stats ng kanilang team, Coach JP.
Yes, dito sa Team Lupi, dito sa 2-point average, itong Team Lupi with 66% and itong Team Naga with 54%. And 3-point average naman, 11% itong Team Lupi, and Team Naga naman with 42%. So makikita natin yung pagkakaiba. Mas lamang dito yung Team Lupi sa 2 points average, but pagdating dito sa 3-point average, lamang dito yung Team Naga.
Parang yung laruan lang kanina, no?
Yes.
Ni Nabwa and Sangay, no? A battle inside the paint and outside the paint.
Yes.
And again, no, Coach JP, I said it once, while these statistics don't lie, no, basketball, no, I'll say it again, basketball is a multifaceted game and a game of unpredictability. So abangan natin, no, despite most of people talking that one team will dominate over the other, again, no, the underdogs can surprise
Yes.
us with their efforts. So wag na natin tong patagalin pa, Coach JP.
Yes.
Ibigay na natin ang court sa ating napakagaling na arena announcer na si JV. JV, the floor is now yours.
Once again, marhay na banggi mga kasurog. This is still your day 39 of Akong Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Brought to you by Congressman Saligoan ng Akong Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog ba? We welcome you once again inside the Municipal Cover Court of Sipocot for our final game matchups for our quarterfinals between Team Lupi versus Team Naga. For the starters, let's first start with Team Lupi. Wearing jersey number 9, Ero Layosa. Wearing jersey number 13, Mark Panuelos. Wearing jersey number 15, Rex San Juan. Wearing jersey number 21, Moises Yaba. And wearing jersey number 24, Jesly Orquina. The head coach for Team Lupi, Mr. Rodel Padilla. And for the starters for Team Naga, we have number 1, jersey number 1, Alexander Lim. Wearing jersey number 17, Jojo Asuer. Wearing jersey number 32, Robino Sablaon III. Wearing jersey number 24, Julius Tiburcio. And wearing jersey number 331, Aymar Sabayo. The head coach for Team Naga, Mr. Luki Sabio. And officiating officials for this small game are Crew Chief Ronnie Mariniza, Upper 1 CJ Sanchez, and Upper 2 Rosel Pontiga. This is your Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Atito.
Good evening, basketball fans, and good evening mga kasurog. Andito na tayo sa pangalawang laro ng ating double-header match dito sa Sipocot Municipal Covered Court. Muli, ako ang inyong basketball play-by-play commentator na si Angela Espinacilla, and with me is
Coach JB Diswango, your analyst.
eto na, sino kaya ang unang makakalagay ng puntos sa ating scoreboard? Sablaon, generating a play for his team. Lab pass to Asuer. Asuer to Tiborcio. The Giants laying the guards of Lupi, making the first points on the board. Layosa driving the ball to Yaba. Yaba, bounce pass to the side. Slightly intercepted. Back to Yaba with a teardrop. And it's no good. Easy rebound by Sabayo there. Lim dribbling the ball. Back to Sabayo. Sabayo to Sablaon. Pump fakes from downtown. Nothing but net. That shot is brought to you by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Islands. Sabayo to the side, shoots a three. Ito na yung psychological instinct ng ating mga player. By San Juan, 3 points. After accepting a 3, they will throw 1. Ito na, once again, Sablaon with a corner 3. Second 3 points! Grabe naman tong kamay ni Sablaon. A hand of Midas, turning the ball into gold. Ito na, Layosa to Yaba. Yaba, bounce pass to the side, shoots a jumper. Panuelos missed that shot. Asuer to Sablaon. Sablaon once again, passing the ball to Sabayo. Sabayo, heavily guarded. The big man against 4. Looking for someone, asking for an open teammate. Yet slightly intercepted. A good defense on the side of Lupi, no? Despite the height disadvantage as mentioned by their coach a while ago, Coach JP.
Yes, and sabi nga nung coach nila, they need to execute, and kung ano man yung game plan, susundin lang nila.
Tama, eto na si Layosa with his rejected! Grabe naman yung rejection na yun.
By Tiborcio.
And take note, Coach JP, Layosa is 100% accurate for most of his games. So it would be a slap on his face after that rejection. Tingnan natin yung composure niya.
Yes,
kung
totoo yan,
ma-maintain
totoo yan.
niya. Right, Lim running like a wind against 3. uses the board and straight into the basket. Lim, no, the team captain in his college, no, the NCF.
Yes.
Showing his experience in this game. From downtown, Lupi with the ball. Orkin, no luck. Grabe ang defensive rebound. At ang defense nitong Team Naga, Sablaon. To Sabayo. Sabayo, guarded by Panuelos. Pass it to the outside. Sablaon looks for Lim. To Asuer. Fires the missile! No good. But the big man was there to put it up and clean the miss. But he didn't connect.
Ang laki nitong Kraken ni Tiborcio.
Grabe. Ano, ito yung big boy na tinatawag talaga.
Yes.
Literal. Layosa still struggling to find the rhythm in this unfamiliar court of them. Orkin to the side. Panuelos back to Layosa. Layosa spins and throws the ball. Still no luck. Mukhang kinakapapa ng Team Lupi ang rim. Napagandang agaw yon ni Layosa. Grabing hustle talaga. Nitong si Layosa. Panuelos!
Outbalance shot from Panuelos.
San Juan, sorry.
Ay, San Juan,
Correction.
San Juan,
Oh,
sorry.
13 and 15 is a close number. That was San Juan. No, my bad, Coach JP. Pero napagandang tira yun, nonetheless. Naga, no, the so-called powerhouse, having no defeat in their eliminations and having a 2-0 standing in their quarterfinals.
And ito naman Team Lupi with 1-1 standing.
Tingnan natin, no, how will the tables will turn for Team Lupi. Asower with the ball. Pump fakes, guarded by 2. Sablaon raising his hand. Asking for a ball for a 3-point. And now he misses. Yaba looking for someone to Panuelos. Panuelos against Lim. Good utilization and good recognition there that he has a height advantage against the small point guard, which is Lim.
That's the beauty of having an underdogs team. Mas motivated.
Tama. Plus, I think most of the crowds are in favor of them because Lupi is a stone throw away from Sipokot. Unlike Naga, which is a 1 or 2 hours drive. But Lim stripped away the ball to Layosa for a dipsy-do layup.
Easy basket from the part
And
of
that basket
Lim.
is brought to you by Hotel St. Elise. Baka naman po, babayaba ang John Wick ng Lupi. Steps into the line, so that's at 2 points. No, unang kita ko dito, sabi ko, ito yung John Wick, no, the killer of Team Lupi. Kaya binansagan ko na siyang babayaba.
Babayaba, John Wick.
Tiborcio, heavily guarded by Layosa. The big man to Lim. Pump fakes, attacks the baseline. Loses the ball and intercepted by Orkin. Orkin dashing against 2. Aatake ba? Spins, uses the glass and makes the basket. Ilista mo na yon, Iris. Napagandang highlight ng Team Lupi, closing the gap with 1 point and a possible cutting of the lead. Grabe yung spin and yung tira na yon is brought to you by Hotel Venecia. Ito pa, i-replay pa natin, no? Thank you sa ating napakagaling na cameraman at director ng IMBC.
Yes.
Thank you for bringing to us the highlights of this first quarter. Grabe, Coach. 5 minutes pa lang. Pero bakbaka na. Nagbabagat, nag-iinit ang court ng Sipokot. Eto na. Misses the shot. So sayang ng opportunity. But still, no, cutting it to 1-point lead is a big game for them. Sablaon passes it to Mendinilla. Mendinilla, after entering, shoots. No good. Ito si Mendinilla, no, one of the most experienced player here
Yes,
in
totoo
Naga. So makikita mo ang Team Naga, no, they already brought up their 3 giants, no, to sabi nga, to maximize their defense. So tingnan natin to si Layosa, the Giant Slayer. No good. Grabe, naka-pressure tumira sa ilalim, no? Matatakot ka talaga.
Oo, parang ang naka-umbrella. Paano ka titira?
Sablaon! Speaking of umbrella, ilabas nyo na ang inyong mga payong dahil umuulan ng 3 points brought to you by Sablaon and
Yes.
Highlands Legazpi.
Kung sa kabila umuulan ng 3 points, sa kabila umuulan ng payong.
Grabe naman yun. Mukhang, I think there's a problem on the side. Tingnan natin. a double foul was called. So nagkaroon ng lambingan si Orkin at si Tiburcio, if I'm not mistaken. Konting lambingan lang because game, no, the basketball game is both mental and physical game.
Yes.
So kailangan ng konting contact.
Yung heat of the moment, hindi yan mawawala.
Eto na, Layosa. Still struggling to find his rhythm. Dancing to the beat of the crowd. Good ball movement sa Team Lupi. No, Panuelos returning it to his teammate but out of bounds. Was called there. Alright. So, Lupi has an opportunity to shorten, lessen the lead. Layosa attacking despite the walls against him.
The good thing about this Team Lupi, they're not afraid of attacking the basket.
Tama.
Even though knowing that Naga with 3 giant inside the court,
Tama.
but still managed to attack the basket.
Oo.
Yun yung mga kailangan nila. Alam nilang underdogs sila, so that's why they need to push it through.
Tama, and of course, no, despite being blocked a while ago, so usually the player who has been blocked and rejected would lose confidence.
Yes.
But grabe, no, commendable ang puso nito ni Layosa. And even trying to recover the rebound after making the shot. No, that's a heart of a basketball player.
Not giving up from that possession.
Tama. Now Lim, generating a play for his team. Looking for someone. To Sablaon. Sablaon. Passes it to Mendenilla. What a connection by Sablaon and Mendenilla. Alley-oop. Parang dati sa PlayStation ko lang to nakikita. Triangle R1. Layosa. Passes it to San Juan. Back to Layosa. Layosa struggling to shake off his defender. And there's a miscommunication there. Sabi nga niyan sa Barabarangay, no, which is unacceptable naman here because they are professional. Blind pass to a blind man daw. So tingnan natin if Team Lupi would recover, no, with this 5-point lead. No, not big lead pero baka lumobo with the possession of Team Naga. Mendenilla from the corner. Lim, back to Bulawan. Bulawan against 2. Grabe talaga. Napapangiti na lang ang players ng Team Lupi.
Wala na kapag nasa loob na ang bola, nasa kamay na. Hindi Bulawan, expect mo na yan. Partner,
Kaya
Jello.
wala ang magagawa. But fires a bomb almost, but never enough. Pero commendable ang hustle ng Team Lupi. No, they're of course at a high disadvantage. So they are using their speed and
Yes.
agility.
Kailangan
to-
nilang i-offset yun.
Tama, kailangan na bumawi sila sa burst, sa fast break, and sa steal. Now, Layosa was asked to rest for a while. Lim still generating the play for his team. To Sablaon. Sablaon with a pull-up 3 points. No good. Lupi. Pass to the newly entered player na si Riego. Pero misses. Lim once again to reclaim his glory. Alley-oop to Bulawan. Bulawan was not happy with that sequence because he was asking for a foul. Lim once again attacking against 3. Pass to Bulawan for revenge. Almost a dunk. Grabe naman yun. Mukhang nagalit niya si Bulawan.
Yes.
But of course, as a player, he put up a smile after that
Yes.
costly, not a costly mistake. Because
Kailangan bawiin nyo yun. Mukhang Joey Boy tayo ito, partner.
Tama. And of course, okay lang yun. Maybe Bulawan
Entertainment nga.
is entertaining
Yes.
our crowd. Here now, my idol, Babayaba. To San Juan. San Juan asking for a screen, attacking against the defender. Trying to, and an easy interception. Mendenilla. A traveling violation. Ito na, pinasok na din ng isa sa mga star players ng Naga, no, si Almario. Tingnan natin.
Di ba idol mo yun,
Oo
partner?
naman, idol ko pa to. Even sa, starting from his high school career in basketball. No? Very good. Mendenilla with a slama jama!
Ayun na.
Grabe, parang sabi niya, Bulawan ako ng bala, pare. Eto na.
Ibigay mo
And
na
the
sa
crowd
akin,
is
ako ng
being
bala.
entertained. We want to see more of that. But Yaba firing a missile, but didn't hit the target. Lim driving to Bulawan to reclaim his glory, but a foul was called. So, I think Bulawan is frustrated after making that mistake. So he will try to penetrate and prove to Team Lupi and to everyone that is the rim protector and the king under the paint. Yan, timeout na sa Team Lupi.
Ikaw pa naman may 3 Kraken. May dumadang pa.
Tawa. Kailangan mo dito si ano. Yan, nakita natin sa highlight, no. Ang Slama Jama ni Mendenilla.
Yes, Joey Medinilla.
What a show off by Mendenilla. Very good start from Team Naga. Ano sa tingin mo ang pwedeng gawin ni Team Lupi, partner, sa susunod na 1 minute na first
Yes,
quarter?
I think partner, bagalan nila yung game.
Mukhang nahirapan ka mag-isip dun, partner. No?
Oo, kasi given the fact with the powerhouse, ano bang adjustment ang gagawin natin dito? But I think para hindi lumobo yung puntos, kailangan nilang bagalan yung game. Kasi kapag hindi nila binagalan yung game, sasabay sila sa up-tempo na game ng Naga, laging lamang to kasi mas malalaki to. And at the same time, ang rebound nito, lagi nilang fast break. Eh kung sila bibili sila, commit sila ng turnover, hindi nila mapoprotektahan lalo yung possession nila. That's why lolobo ng lolobo yan. So every possession, kung kaya nilang maging composed just to make their routine set plays, I think hindi lolobo yung lamang.
Tama. So they have to secure every possession,
Yes.
no, and maximize it. They have not they should not rather, no, let Naga control the pace of this game. So they have to play with their own style. So tingnan natin, no. But again, no, these are easily said than done. Pero tingnan natin because commendable din ang mga players itong
Yes.
Team Lupi. No,
Yung effort nga, yung sinasabi mo, pag underdogs ka, ikaw yung mas eager na maglaro. But I
Tama.
think tingnan natin kung yung Naga matadala nila sa strategy.
And speaking of, after being at a disadvantage for 3 consecutive quarters, na ihabol ng Lupi yung laro nila against Team Nabwa. Almost defeating Team Nabwa on the last possession. But now, Mendenilla with the ball. But of course, no, they're enjoying this game. He bounced back to the wall as if it has to spring in it.
Buti na lang nakita ng referee nating itong si Ronnie Milenisa.
Yan, ang referee natin, very enthusiastic.
matang lawin.
Matang lawin. Layosa, shaking off Almario. But Almario is pressuring Layosa. Here's go. Yan mukhang nag-hesitate talaga si Forton, no, and the rest of the team to shoot kapag merong nakatayong higante sa harap nila.
Oo naman. Paano nga titira kapag meron ng kamay sa taas?
The challenge here of Lupino, how would you attack a castle, no, with a great wall? How would you destroy the great wall of that particular castle? So they have to find their Trojan horse, no, to penetrate the defense of Naga.
Yes.
Kasi yun yung ine-emphasize din ng coach nila. Almario, now with the ball, dribbles against 2. So Madridano, Asuer, quick pass to Mendenilla. Mendenilla proves that he can shoot from outside. Misses. Almario with a corner 3. Almario with a buzzer beater shot. Grabe naman yon. What a way to end our first quarter, Coach JP, with a score 25-12. No, a very dominant quarter for Team Naga.
Yes, nag-uumpisa pa lang pero kita na natin kung paano ka-dominate ng Team Naga itong Team Lupi.
Tama. Thoughts on the first quarter, Coach JP?
Thoughts of the game? Itong Team Naga, very composed and they have a good start from Bang Sablaon. Nailing how many threes? I think 3 points from the side of Sablaon. And meron pa nga itong momentum swinger na ginawa nitong si Joey Medinilla na show-off dunk. And dito naman sa part ng Team Lupi, andun yung aggressiveness. But I think they just need to continue that in every possession, lalo na kapag may libre dapat convert nila.
Tingnan natin if ma-apply nila and ma-improve nila ang kanilang strategy, you know, because of course with this, no, they have to Team Lupino, they have to rely on the intricate strategies. They have to take some risk, but of course, well-calculated risk. They have to step up their game to advance, and of course, the hope is to defeat the powerhouse Team Naga. So tingnan natin, Coach JP, yung top players sa magkabilang panig. So sa Team Lupi, we have San Juan with 5 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist.
And dito naman sa part ng Team Naga, ito na nga, hindi tayo nagkamali dito kay Sablaon with 9 points. Lahat to 3 points, partner. Dito naman sa part in between niya with 4 points and Lim with 4 points.
And that, the opening of second quarter is a turnover for both teams. Very strong pass on the side of Team Lupi. Now Asuer, being the playmaker for Team Naga. Asuer to Mendinilla. Mendinilla looking for someone. To Madridano. Madridano close to Almario but pass to Asuer. And stolen by Team Lupi. Eto na, sila Yosa. Nag-hesitate. Si Riego na kunin yung bola. Steps back, fades away, shoots. No good. But again, Naga, very good in securing their defensive rebound. There is Sabayo now inside the court. Almario for the corner 3. Misses this time. But grabe ang offensive rebound. Now Madridano securing the ball and throwing it. But the whistle was blown there. So it's in the act of shooting. So he will stand on the charity line to throw the ball for free. That's why it's called free throw.
Yes.
Diba napagandang trivia yun, partner?
Oo nga eh. Kaya dapat i-shoot mo yan kasi tinawag na libre.
Tama. So, kaya sinut ni Madridano ang unang puntos and he secured the 2 shots for Team Naga. Now, the gap is ballooning but Layosa still generating the play for his team. Layosa against Almario, stripped away by Almario with an ankle breaker. Almario with an easy layup. Grabe naman yun.
Ito na yung sinabi kanina nung yung team manager nitong Team Naga. They need to be consistent in their defense. Ito yung pinapakita ng Team Naga ngayon.
But Layosa still hard strong, shooting the ball from a long distance if he cannot penetrate the paint. Almario heavily guarded by the Team Lupi. Ito na, Layosa once again. Quick pass to Riego but intercepted by Madridano. Madridano passes it to Almario. Good hustle on the side of Team Lupi. Ito na yung sinasabi mo kanina, Coach JP. They have to use their every opportunity to steal and to run. Layosa against 2. Attacking the baseline. Crosses the side. Fires a 3 from downtown. No good. And a foul was called there
Against Jojo Asuer of Naga.
Layosa, sinking 3. Heavily guarded by Asuer. Passes it to Orkin, but Orkin misses. Almario, eto na naman! Ang slam dunk sana ni Mendinilla.
Nasobrahan ng gigil itong si Joey Medinilla. Good intention, pero bad result.
Tama. But personally, I'd love to see more of that dunks to entertain us here.
Yes, nabubuhay lahat.
Tama. Buhay na buhay ang lahat.
Yes, hindi tayo lahat nakikita mo ng dunk ng mga players dito sa probinsya natin.
But I think Coach Nuki, Sabio of Team Naga is not happy with that foul. With that call rather, with the judgment of the referee. I think he was asking for a foul there on their side. But nonetheless, back to the ball game tayo. Lupi to Layosa. Layosa still making his way past to the defenders. Passes to, wanna blow by sana pero he didn't connect to the basket. But it was an out of bounds. So they still have 10 seconds to complete their play. Grabe ang depensa nitong Naga, a suffocating defense despite the effort of Team Lupi. Ito na, kaya they are throwing the balls from long distances. Almario losing the ball. Try to throw it still. Pero that was a very strong pass on the side of Naga.
Okay, so Team Lupi, once again, no, still struggling to find their tempo, to find their momentum. But again, commendable, no, ang kanilang efforts. Grabe, double screen yung ginawa from long range. And that's an air ball.
Ayun, hindi na tumalon yung Joey Medinilla.
Tama, grabe.
Kinuha.
Alley-oop sana ni Madridano.
Kinuha
Fades
na lang.
away. No good using the glass. Lupi running like a wind. Priego to Ligtas. Ligtas loses the ball. So grabe yung depensa ng Team Naga. Ito na. Layosa, pump fakes, attacking the baselines. There are 3 guards in front of him, so he shoots. Grabing adjustment. Ginawa. That shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Elise and of course, Errol Layosa.
Layosa.
Lim.
Talagang siya ang heart and soul nitong Team Lupi.
Tama. Mendenilla loses the ball.
And hindi lang offense ang tinatrabaho niya, pati offense ng team niya talagang binibit-bit niya.
Tama. Alam mo yung ginawa niya doon na Coach JP kasi hindi siya makapasok. Layosa. Lumayo sa...
Napakaganda
Nawan ng
joke.
At least tumawa Coach JP.
Yes, oo.
Ito na, si Layosa.
Layo siya.
Inulit mo pa talaga Coach JP. Dribbles, fires a pull-up 3. Still no luck. Sabayo securing the ball. Lab pass to Mendenilla. Mendenilla give us a slam dunk. Pero, yan, securing the ball. Maybe learning from his mistake. And of course, that shot is brought to us by Miss Ibis Bay. Concerned din siya no, kasi may guard siya. So that would be a costly jump and risky jump for both of them. Sanuan, quick pass inside to the baseline to Ligtas. Ligtas securing the ball, saving the ball just like his surname. Hustling with a rebound but no good. Napakaganda out of nowhere spins. Orkin still no luck for their 4th attempt. Orkin dribbles, give it to Layosa, pump fakes, drives, loses his guard, slicing through the defense. But it's an interception. Grabe, grabe talaga. Grabe ang puso ng Team Lupi for this particular game pero they're struggling.
Yes, ilang offensive rebound yun partner Jello.
I think mga that's 4 or 5 offensive
Yes.
rebounds.
Pero yun nga, they need to find way to how to choose their shots. Lalo na kapag nandyan yung mga giants ng Team Naga.
Tama. Now Sablaon back on the court. Lab pass to Asuer. Asuer attacking the paint. Quick pass to Sablaon. The Sablaon Asuer connection. Pass it to Tiborcio. Tiborcio against all odds. He nailed it. And 1. Grabe naman yun. Slashing and dashing through the defense of Team Lupi. Crashes everyone there with his awkward yet secured shot.
Yes, ang laki ba naman ng bicep nitong si Tiborcio.
Oo, parang bumangga, giba.
Oo.
Oo.
Kondisyon na kondisyon.
Tama. Now Layosa still carrying the ball. Dribbles, passes Asuer. Now double guarded. To Sanuan. Sanuan to the corner. Back to Sanuan. Sanuan. To Orkin. Orkin with a floater. That floater is brought to you by Hotel Venecia.
Yun yung magandang ginagawa ngayon ng Team Lupi. They're finding an open man.
Sablaon!
Hindi pa pala tapos itong si Sablaon.
Grabe naman yung perfect release. Kumbaga, bullseye.
Napakagandang spin.
Tama, Layosa to Orkin. Orkin trying to gain back-to-back points but misses. Lim now driving the ball. Crosses the half court. Looking for someone. Passes it inside to Tiborcio. Tiborcio guarded by 3. Grabe. Kahit may triangle formation around him, Tiborcio still manages to break the defense of Team Lupi. Layosa. Dribbles. Crosses the 4 guards but passes it to Riego. Grabe. Riego with a 3-pointer that is brought to you by Highlands. Napaganda nga momentum breaker yun for Team Lupi.
Lupi is continuing finding the open man sa kanila.
Plus an interception. Riego once again with the back-to-back points. Pero misses. Sayang, that was slightly strong. But Riego trying to recover the ball. Napagandang hustle, no? Regardless of the advantage of Team Naga. No, we're not taking sides, but we have to commend the effort of this team Lupino.
Lupi, yes.
Spending their energy, stepping on the gas in the very early first half. San Juan, parang give it all or give nothing at all. San Juan fires the missile. No good. Sablaon securing the rebound. Dribbles. Guarded and pressured. Crosses 3 guards. Sablaon against 5. But passes it into Borsio. Grabe naman yon, recognizing that there's an open man on the side. That's Sablaon and Tiborcio connection for you. Layosa, lab pass, inside. But again, you cannot penetrate the Giant. Asower loses the ball there. Layosa with a quick interception. Layosa stripped away from the outside and there's a scramble. But recovered by Orkin. Orkin guarded by Orkin! 2 points! Grabe yung sequence na yun kahit ako hindi makasabay. Woo! Grabing bakbakan ang ipinapakita sa atin.
Ang daming give and go na binibigay itong Lupi.
Lim with a catch and release. No good. Tiborcio securing the offensive rebound. But now, Lupi with the ball. Ito na yung ginawa nila sa team Nabua. Riego, Asuer. Good hustle on the part of Lupi. That's 4 against 2. Layosa, the ban under the rim. But they have to run because if they're on the other side of the court, other players are on the side with that Sablaon. Revenge 2-pointer. So yun yung danger of doing a quick fast break.
Yes.
You have to return to your defense.
Easy layup yun.
Tama. Sayang nung effort nila. Layosa to Orkin. Orkin misses the corner 3. Sablaon once again for his back-to-back layup. Grabe naman to si Sablaon. Firing threes on the first few minutes of the first quarter. Now securing layups on the second quarter. But Asuer was holding on Layosa there.
Medyo na ito na yung fatigue sa Team Lupi. Pagod. Ito yung effort. Pero we appreciate their efforts. Sabi mo nga kanina, partner Jello.
Tama. No? And despite this lead, mind you, Coach JP, last time they fought against Nabua, ganito din yung kalamangan. Pero they were able to tie it 68 and have the last ball possession for them, no, shooting a Hail Mary shot. Kaso natalo sa overtime.
Oh.
So tingnan natin kung mangyayari ulit. No, kasi sabi nila, history repeats itself. No? But we can never know because this is a different team.
Yes, I think with the continuous effort and aggressiveness, tingnan natin kung magbubunga dito sa part ng Team Lupi.
Tama. Git-gitan ang labanan mga kaibigan, kaya huwag kayong kukurap. Pero huwag niyong kalimutang huminga. No, kasi hindi namin kasalanan may mangyayari sa inyo. And again, no, if you're watching on the comfort of your homes, i-like nyo na ang ating Facebook page, Rep Saldico at ako, Bicol Online TV. No, that's a simple way to help us reach the basketball fans all over the Bicol. Ma-follow nyo din kami sa YouTube channel, ako Bicol Cup, at sa ating TikTok page. Here we go. Madridano to the big man. But there was a foul called on Team Naga. And that's a pushing foul there. The referee's motion. Grabe, this is already an insurmountable lead for the first half.
Yes, and warning for penalty na itong Team Naga.
So grabe din yung depensa
Ayun
nila, no? That's
penalty
the
na nga, siguro, partner Jello.
Okay,
think
that's a
inaayos
penalty.
nila. Yes, penalty na nga.
So that's the cost of strengthening your defense, no? You're risking fouls as well.
Yes. Too much aggressiveness will take you from the foul line, or ito na yung nangyayari, naka-foul na natin yung kalaban natin.
And I think they have to bank in this sequence. No, ito yung chance nila eh. Sa free throw, walang bantay. So they have to...
Walang payong.
Tama, walang payong. And there was a little sportsmanship play there between Mendenilla and Makasinag.
Ayun na naman yung effort.
Ito na. Ito yung tinagurian, no? Si Inandan. Napakaganda nga! Wow! Flexing, you can see me! That's Inandan. Ilista mo na yun, Iris. So, napakagandang play.
Napakagandang Pinoy
Almario.
step.
Madridano from downtown.
Yun yung masakit doon. 2 points,
2
over
points.
3 points.
Stepping into the line. Ito na naman ang ating Iverson ng Team Lupi. Layosa driving the ball with a shot clock off. 10 seconds remaining time. Layosa bounce pass to San Juan. San Juan pass to Layosa but loses the ball. There's 3.8 seconds remaining on the clock. So tingnan natin if Naga can convert this into a point. Quick pass to Madridano. Madridano, alley-oop. An almost alley-oop. But again, same person.
Yes, another miss shot from Bulawan.
Bulawan. And yan, no, magbabalik po kami. No, ang score, 47-30. This is Jello and with me, Coach JP. See you on the third quarter of this exciting matchup.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Ako lang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo dahil may kamalilingwan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Inat sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arab po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan. Mahigit 1 dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang dito sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
Marhay na banggi mga kasurog. Good evening basketball fans. Again, live na live tayo sa Municipal Covered Court ng Sipokot kung saan mapapanood ang bakbakang Naga City versus Municipality of Lupi. Kanina, no, grabe ang aggressiveness ang pinakita nitong Team Naga, no, as well as ang enthusiasm and good hustle na ipinakita ng Team Lupi. So once again, I am Angelo Espinosilia, your play-by-play commentator, and with me is
Coach JP Diswango, your basketball analyst for tonight.
And with that, San Juan throws a ball from long range but didn't connect. Mendanilla securing the ball to Asuer. Asuer to Almario from his favorite spot. No good. But the Giant securing the ball there. Bulawan holding the ball as if it was nothing. Almario inbounding the ball. Looking for someone. So there's a Giant on the side of Lupi as well, guarding Bulawan. Bulawan asking for someone. Bulawan, lob pass to Asuer. Almost loses the ball with 5 seconds remaining. Tingnan natin kung may convert niya ito into a shot. But another whistle was blown.
Foul committed by Angelo Griego.
Griego, good defense on Team of Lupi. Sumisigaw si Coach Nuki, but I think the clock was reset to 14 seconds if I'm not mistaken. Almario, struggling. Layosa fires the missile. Kaboom! Layosa. Shot made by Layosa was brought to you by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Island. Lob pass to Mendanilla. With a low look pass to the big man. Yet intercepted. Once again with a breakaway pass. But a sorry miss for Riego. Sayang nung breakaway pass na yon. Almario shooting. Quick pass to Riego. Riego to reclaim his glory. Slightly rejected by the Giant Bulawan there. But still, the ball possession is on Team Lupi. So, grabe.
Sayang yung easy 2 points na yun. Medyo nakapanghihinayang.
Tama, no? Pero
pinaghirapan yung paasa na yun, partner.
Oo, and for Team Lupino, every ball possession and every shot no is very important for Team Lupi.
Yes.
So, but then again, no, you cannot speak on behalf of the player kasi once you're on the court, yung yung awareness mo, no, kala mo libre ka pero minsan
may pressure pa din.
May pressure, tsaka minsan may lumilipad dyan out of nowhere. And the danger. And I think there was a warning there for continuous complaining for technical. San Juan securing his first shot. They are trying, no, I think slowly. If they'll continue their pace, they will try to cut off the lead into a single digit. Layosa with a lob pass to the side. But there was a
illegal screening, offensive. Yes.
Offensive foul on the guy that the Bulao. So ang Bulawan ng Team Lupi, no, is guarding the Bulawan. And then there's a physical contact there. No?
Gandang matchup yan.
Tama, no, the Bulawan versus the Bulawan. Here we go. Sabayo. There's a foul called.
Ganda rin ang hassle talaga nitong Team Lupi. Naka-zone defense line. Kapag na-drop ball sa post, quick double tayo. Gamble na tayo dyan.
Tama. Pero kitang-kita mo talaga yung yung difference in the height. Despite Lupi bringing the big man, which is si Angelo, no, medyo malayo pa din sa big man, no, in terms of size.
In terms of big, literal na big.
Literal na big.
But in terms of...
we will go back to our elementary days na we have the big and the bigger.
Yes. And awa yan, sigurado kapag sinabi mo yung classmate mo, bigger ka, big lang ako.
Oo. Away talaga yan. No, pero pag sinabi mong too big, water na yan. Layosa driving the ball.
Yun, no?
Going back to the ball game, heavily guarded by Almario. Almario, napagandang recovery yun after the pick. Bounce pass to Layosa. Layosa almost lose the ball. Spins against 3 Giants. Fades away, but rejected.
Now, eto na. Mendenilla asking for a foul. But Almario was fouled there. Mendenilla was hoping for a dunk there, but he was saying that he was held on his feet.
Strip yung paa niya going for that dunk. And I think very dangerous naman talaga yun. That's why hindi niya pinilit yung issue.
Mendenilla was not happy with that call. Almario, proving that he has a 100% accuracy on the charity line. Pero minsan pag pinupuri natin,
Nag-jinx.
Nag-jinx. Tingnan natin if the curse will break for Almario.
Ayun
na. Sorry na, idol. na ano na yung 100% accuracy niya. Now Layosa against Almario. Layosa trying to shake off the defender, but Almario is good in guarding him. So Layosa will now inbound the ball with 14 seconds remaining. Bounce pass to Griego. Griego loses the ball, but there's a foul called there.
Ganda ng ginagawa nitong sa side ng Lupi sa pass and cut. Kung hindi, give and go. Pero nakakalusot
Tama. San Juan with a quick release. No good. Sabayo losing the ball. Mukhang if baguhan ka dito, mako-confuse ka kay Sabayo at Bulawan. They have a similar build.
Yes.
And medyo magkamukha. Pero dito yung off-ball pressure na binibigay ni Angelo kay Bulawan. So the Bulawan with the Bulawan versus the Bulawan here. Almario against San Juan. Heavily guarded. No? There's 2 guards in front of him. Almario recognizing that he can shoot from the three-point line. He was guarded. Good hustle on the side of Lupi. But Asuer with an awkward shot. But didn't connect. Quick pass. Torkin with their 3 players there. Griego. No, this time he didn't miss this one. No, kasi very costly kung 2 beses siya magkakamali. Mendenilla looking for someone. Pass to Asuer. Asuer. Perimeter shot. No good. Layosa with the ball. To Orkin. Orkin with a jumper. Grabe. Medyo inaalat ang tira ng Team Lupi. Almario. To Mendenilla. Mendenilla thinks a 3. Asuer attacking the paint against 3. But a foul was called there after attacking the paint. Yan. Without realizing it, partner, the slow pace of Team Lupi is paying off. Meron na lang tayong 12 points ba? 13 points advantage.
Yes.
No, ng Team Naga. Kanina I think around 20 or close to 20. Tingnan natin kung madadagdagan ito ng Team Naga. Sablaon, inbounding the ball. Lob pass to Almario. Back to Sablaon. Grabe. Napagandang blob play yun. That shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Elise. Layosa with a quick 3-point attempt. Still, no luck on their side. Sablaon. Quick pass to Almario. Almario attacking Angelo. Grabe, shakes off his defender. Pwede na yung ilista. Parang natulala si Angelo doon.
Yes, even on the part of Team Lupi doon sa bench, nagsigawan sila.
Rejected by Tiborcio. Grabe naman tong Team Naga, relentless. Even the bench of Team Lupi is clapping on their miss-up. So bago pa natin ipagpatuloy, puntahan muna natin si Carmela Hernandez para sa kanyang report. Carmela, take it away.
Team Naga ended the first half with 47 points against Team Lupi at kitang-kita ang kalamangan sa pagitan ng 2 teams. Kanina nga sa huddle ng Team Lupi, talagang aminado daw sila na inaalat at madami silang nagiging errors tonight, lalong-lalo sa mga turnovers, free throws, outside shooting at sa ball transition. Kaya sabi nila they have to double their work and team effort dito sa ating second half upang makabawi at para makipagsabayan na sa Team Naga. On the other hand, Team Naga is making their play tonight at talagang pinapakita ang kanilang consistency in every quarter in this game. Kaya itutuloy pa din daw nila ang naipakita simula ng game hanggang makakuha ang panalo tonight. That's the latest update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Carmela, sa napaka-accurate na report. Now, as we go back to our game, Mendenilla is on the charity line, taking his free throws, increasing the lead for Team Naga. So now the crowd is awkwardly quiet, no? Because they're looking for some actions and hopefully both teams will be able to give it to them. Mendanilla securing 2 chickens in the bucket there. And now, binigyan tayo ng beat ng ating direct sa Layosa. Dribbles. Heavily guarded. San Juan. Pump fakes and shoots. No good. San Juan once again for his second attempt. Back to Layosa. Layosa against the Giant. Still no luck on their attempts. Grabe ang pressure na ibinibigay. Mendanilla. Quick pass and intercepted by Griego. Riego running against 2. What a layup, but rejected by Tiborcio. But there was a call by the referee there. No, to Mendanilla rather. I think they'll be reviewing this. No, though medyo malinaw yung nangyari. Tingnan natin. Kasi we have the luxury, Coach JP, of reviewing the play.
IRS, yung tinatawag nila.
And of course, this is brought to you by the IMBC. Now, one of the best, no, if not the best, multimedia organizer here in the Bicol region. Of course, bringing to us the intense game of Ako Bicol Cup ever since day one. So the referees are gathering, on the IRS natin, sa instant replay system para tingnan yung sequence na nangyari kanina.
Medyo malinaw yung nangyari. Nakita ko din yung...
But of course, since
Yes.
we are not the officials,
Yes.
we have to wait for the call of
The
our
judgment call.
expert, SBP team.
Yes.
No,
Headed
from,
by Emmanuel Faraon.
Yan. Napaka gagaling na referee. No, paulit-ulit ko itong sinasabi. Kasi I'm a fan of basketball ever since I was a kid. Bata pa lang ako, tumatakbo na to.
Unsportsmanlike foul.
And that's an unsportsmanlike foul given to Owen Mendanilla. Ito, tingnan natin yung sequence. Supposedly, ititira niya ito. And then, yan, here you go. The shotgun from behind. So I think, i-review ulit para ipakita kay Owen yung sequence na nangyari. Because I think probably, again, it was maybe an accident on their part, or maybe it was done unconsciously kasi usually when you secure the ball, yan, hinahawakan mo. Pero tingnan natin if you would agree with the decision after the game. So again, this game is brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List at ni Congressman Saldico. Katabang na, kasurog pa. So thoughts, Coach JP, sa gagawin ng Team Lupi sa mga susunod na minuto ng third quarter para malesen yung kalamangan ng Team Naga?
Malesen na they just continue. Right now, what's working with them is their running game. Kasi kanina, nagtatlong bigs yung Team Naga. That's why tumakbo yung Team Lupi. Yun yung naging strength nila. But this time, compose ulit yung transition defense nitong Team Naga. Kasi yung ibig sabihin niya na yung 1, 2, 3, 4 position can play defense from the transition.
Grabe naman yun. Though very technical ang naintindihan ko doon. Mahirap i-penetrate yung team as an ordinary player, and at the same time rather a fan of basketball game. Observing this game, Naga has been showing suffocating defense from the very beginning until now. Diba, grabe yung mga blocks, yung mga rebounds.
Yes.
But,
even the steals, partner.
Tama. Team Lupi executing all the possible best plays with their ball possession. So, tingnan natin ang mangyayari sa mga susunod na sequence. So, shout out ko muna si aking napagandang kaibigan na si Ma'am Jen Palenzuela. Happy viewing po sa'yo. I think naalala ko, manunood daw siya sa sunod na laro ng Lupi. So, ito na. Orkin with a fadeaway shot. No good. Tiborcio securing the ball for his team. Lim driving the ball. Generating a play. Dribbles to Almario. Almario back to Lim. Lim inside. Quick pass to Almario. Napakagandang ball movement sa Team Naga. That sequence is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi. Now again, basketball is not just a game of slam dunks and 3 points. It's a game of coordination as well and camaraderie between teams. Now, Lupi, San Juan, fires from long range. No good. Tip it off by Orkin. Regardless of the height, no? Kulang man sa height, ibabawi sa talon.
And sa effort. Kanina pa tong Orkin na to.
Grabe. Heart strong, no? Kudos sa mga Team Lupi. But regardless, Sablaon is again adding insult to the injury with a 3-point. Layosa with a quick jumper. No good. Grabe naman ang rebound netong si Orkin. Orkin! Grabe, very brave inside the paint and the baseline. Sablaon once again with the ball. What a pass to Almario. Almario's securing the point. That's the Sablaon and Almario connection, no, from the previous collegiate game sa Bukal. No? Si Sablaon was the finals MVP and Almario is the season's MVP, but they are from two different teams. Now they are connecting properly. At ito, si Angelo, tinayuan lang ni Sabayo. And even the audience are laughing here. No, but again, good pass to recover by San Juan. Good recognition. No, ito si Angelo, multifaceted player. Grabe yung, pwede siyang umatake, pwede mag-assist, pwede magbantay. No, so you cannot underestimate these players. Sablaon from corner shot. No good this time. And Layosa, no, pinalaman dun sa dalawang igante, but still, is jumping.
Na talagang never say die.
Tama.
And dito sa pagdating dito sa Team Lupi. So lahat ng possession, pinaglalaban.
Tama. So indescribable itong pinapakitang puso ng Team Lupi. But regardless, no, Team Naga is playing very composed and securing every possession. Proving that they are the more and the most dominant team in this bracket. I think the only team who went close to them is Team Kamaligan.
Yes, from their opening game.
Tama, no, with around 1 to 3 points lang yung kalamangan, if I'm not mistaken. I was there. It was our arena announcer, the opening. Lim, looking for someone. Passes it to Almario. Almario with a baseline attack. Rejected by the guards of Team Lupi. Orkin, ito na yung sinasabi natin, grabing tumalon.
Kalawit rebound.
Tingnan natin. Spins! Passes it to the side. Uses the glass, but no good. Sayang yung effort. No, kung makita natin, huminga ng malalim dun si Orkin. But Sablaon, securing the ball. Spins for his second attempt. Drives. Back to Almario. Fires the missile. Kaboom! 3 points by Jerome Almario.
Grabe itong duwa na to, Sablaon, Almario.
Grabe. Selfless basketball. Yes. Angelo. Stolen by Almario. Now, sabi ni Almario, sa'yo naman ang bola sa Sablaon. Securing the points there. No, dati, bakbakan sila, no, NCF Ateneo. Ngayon, they're one in Team Naga.
Ngayon, mag-teammate sila ngayon.
Layosa. To Orkin. Orkin. San Juan. Back to Orkin. Orkin! Napagandang recognition. Misses the 3, so he entered the paint to secure the basket. But we have seconds to play for the remaining third quarter of the match. Naga still leading. Lim attacks to Almario from his favorite spot from downtown. Ilista mo na yan pag nandyan si Almario. Layosa once again to Orkin. Orkin using his all. Spins! Napagandang sidestep and fades away. But a $1 million play with a centavo shot is not counted. 30 seconds remaining time. Lim attacking the paint. Sabi niya, I have to do this as well because I am the captain of the Naga College Foundation. You cannot outshine us. Almario pressuring. Grabe naman to. Layosa. Dribbles. Rejected, but it was still in using the glass. Lim with the remaining 3 seconds. Sablaon with a finisher. That's the end of the quarter, Coach JP.
Yes.
And with that, no, on the third quarter, grabe nagbalon yung kalamangan. 73-49. Coach JP, ito na yung pinakamahirap na tanong. Kung ikaw yung coach ng Team Lupi, what advice are you going to give to your players? Probably because they are exhausted at the same time disheartened.
I think they just need to play at their best pa rin. Kasi I think hindi naman matatapos yung laro dito eh. After this, may sabi nga nila, may Ako Bicol comes to part 2 pa na mangyayari. I think pagbalik nila sa Lupi, sa lugar nila is may makikwento sila and meron silang madadala doon. And sa next season na mangyayari, I think mas prepared sila.
Tama. And again, no, as we were saying a while ago, every battle is a learning experience. You win or you lose, no, you'll gain experience.
Learn, yes.
And you'll learn. Tama. And yun, no, sabi nga niya na I came, no, and I'll try to conquer. Kung hindi naman, at least no, I can regroup or come back stronger.
Di ba? Sabi nga niya, join them.
Tama. No,
you can't beat them.
You join them. Pero I think this is close to impossible in the game of basketball. Maybe some other time.
Yes.
No? So again, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Misibis Bay, Cagraray Island, Islands Legazpi, Hotel St. Elise, and Hotel Venetia. Ang ating top scorers sa ating third quarter. Grabe, staggering with 23 points, 1 rebounds, and 5 assists on the lead is Sablaon. Jersey number 22 for Naga, and followed by Almario with 18 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steal. Partner.
And dito naman sa part ng Team Lupi, wala nang iba kundi itong number 9 na si Layosa with 14 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steals. So, he's doing everything for Team Lupi right now.
Tama. Ito na, Sablaon misses his 3. Layosa, once again, as you've just mentioned, pass it to the side. Ito yung tinawag na opa ng Lupi with his hairstyle. What a play by Makasinag, no? As it was rejected
by Bulawan. Akala ni Kasinag nakabelo na. Pero andun pa pala yung Jamil Bulawan to reject his shot.
Yan, si Zen Valenzuela from Cavite pa na supporting Team Lupi. So again, happy viewing sa inyo. At sa lahat ng manonood dito sa Camarines Sur, sa Bicol, sa buong Pilipinas at maging sa buong mundo. Palay natin may mga astronaut na nanonood dito.
Yes.
Ito na Madridano from long range. No good. And the big man, no, kitang-kita mo. No? But that's a traveling violation. On the side of Bulawan. Right? So, Makasinag driving the ball here.
Medyo nagulo ako dun sa may sumigaw partner eh.
Oo. Ignore na lang muna natin yon. Attacking. Meron lang misinterpretation na nangyari. Bulawan to Asuer. Asuer. Guarded. Spins! Napakagandang movement yun ni Asuer. Ilista mo na yan sa highlight kasi that shot is brought to you by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Island. Grabe. Shakes off his defender there. We have the new guy, Forton for Lupi, shooting from a long distance but misses. Lim with the ball. Pass it to Asuer. Asuer to Bulawan with a teardrop. No good. And kitang-kita mo yung lataw na lataw in Bicol, si Bulawan. And Layosa with his heart, wearing his heart on his sleeves. So still gaining score and closing the gap for Team Lupi.
Great finisher itong Layosa. Grabe shifty din to. I no doubt kapag kita natin to sa big leagues pagdating dito sa atin, lalo na sa mga big schools.
And of course, Sir JP, speaking of which, this is also an opportunity for the coaches and the university to scout players.
Yes.
So, usually yung mga unknown players that have been playing on the streets, they are given the bigger stage.
Yes.
And of course, an opportunity to have scholarships for the love of the game at the same time, makapag-aral ka pa sa mga prestigious universities natin.
Totoo yan. And I think we need to thank Ako Bicol Cup
of
Camarines Sur Leg for giving this opportunity.
And walang iba, kundi si Congressman Sandy ko. Maraming salamat.
Salamat po.
Salamat din sa aming mga bossing na si Sir Lloyd and Ino Rivera.
Yes.
Now Forton releases. What a perfect shot by Forton. Asuer to Lim. Lim to Madridano. Back to Lim. Lim looking for someone. To Asuer. Asuer with 10 seconds to shoot. Owi Mendinilla draining it but rattles and outside. Passes to napakagandang tira yan! Di ba kasinag?
Inoyo pa.
Grabe, kumbaga nilato-lato ang bola. Securing the basket. No, that's a new term for our generation or today. Up and down.
Up
to
and
secure
down.
the ball. What more to call it than lato-lato?
Lato.
Pendulum
It's a new
shot.
word for me, partner.
Lato-lato. Naga was not happy on that sequence, so they'll try to have their defense. Mendinilla trying to drain. Attacks. Loses the ball to Lim with 5 seconds on the clock. To Asuer. Back to Madridano with 3 seconds. Spins. Throws the ball. But that's a traveling violation. Sabi nga niya ni Sir John, no, dancing to the wrong song.
Yes.
We would like to acknowledge our very supportive Mayor Nelson Legacion, no, on screen. Happy viewing, Mayor Son. No, ever since day one, laging nandito si Mayor Son sa mga laro ng Team Naga. Supporting the team all the way through, seeing it through. And yan, thank you so much, Mayor Son. Baka naman. Lim, dribbles. To Mendinilla. Mendinilla attacks, loses his guard, shoots. No good. Good hustle on the side of Team Lupi, but it was still an out of bounds. Running score 76-57, 6 minutes remaining time for our fourth and final quarter. Asuer. But a foul call there for Makasinag. Makasinag, despite being the smallest guy, it's giving a tremendous effort for this game. Mendinilla. Ito ang play ng mga malalaki. No, I think the ball was passed around between them. Ito na. Sayang. At least na-regain niya na yung glory niya.
Yun nga lang, may offensive foul siya.
Gusto niya lang atang ibalanse yung pagka medyo tagilid nung ring after Owen Mendinilla crashes Slama Jama on the other side. Yung medyo tumagilid ng konti.
Yes, and ginawa niya 200 jump. Not counted on.
Asuer against 2. Asuer! But he was slapped on the face. And he was mad. No, he was mad.
Yes, medyo nahilo. Medyo nahilo.
Was not accepting the apology there. Good sportsmanship of the player of Team Lupi, but I think it was a very strong slap because Asuer would not usually complain. No, it was just like a mosquito slap.
Mas napakabait niyan si Jojo Asuer. Maximum tolerance pagdating sa basketball. Because basketball is a physical game.
Tama. Pero I think medyo nasaktan siya sa sequence na yun.
Yes.
So again, kudos sa mga nanonood pa rin dito sa live, no, sa Sipokot, staying, no, despite the insurmountable lead of Team Naga. Salamat din sa mga nanonood sa ating live, no, through Rep Saldico and Ako Bicol Online TV. Kung gusto niyo din ng mas malinaw na stream, pwede nyo kaming panoorin sa Ako Bicol Online TV YouTube channel. Pa-follow na din ang aming TikTok page para sa mga highlights ng laro. That's Ako Bicol Cup. So again, Ako Bicol Cup on YouTube and TikTok.
Yes. I want to take this opportunity also, partner, to i-shout out naman si Raymond Arce and Joseph Rodriguez and si Coach Joji De Leon na nasa Manila ngayon.
Shout out po sa inyo, and kung nanonood man po kayo sa larong ito, happy viewing po sa inyo.
And kay Pilanting and kay Coach Noel na nanonood ngayon ng live.
And shout out po sa inyo. Si Coach Noel Ayo ba yun, Coach JP?
Coach Noel Ordas.
Ordas. Kala ko si Coach Ayo. Layosa with the ball. fires from downtown. No luck for Makasinag. Lob pass to Bulawan. Bulawan loses the ball. Owen Mendenilla attacking the key. Loses again. It was slightly stripped away by Team Lupi. So ito si Makasinag no, is entering the mind of Team Naga.
Yes.
Is messing up with them. Kaya medyo...
And ito yung pinakamaliit.
Oo. Ito na. Grabe namang atake yun ni Tiborcio. Left, right, with a shot. Masinag once again. Asking for a pick. Guarded by Asuer. Asuer. Ito na ang Opa. Ito out of nowhere. Masinag na ikisabayan. And here we go. Si Agravante. No, I think Agravante was fouled there. Grabe naman yung si Masinag.
Foul counted.
Galing sa labas. Bigla na lang nasa loob ng paint.
And he missed. And yun, natapik niya pa. Kaya nakuha nitong si Agravante.
Tama. Securing 2 points plus a bonus shot for Team Lupi. Tingnan natin kung makakomplete ni Agravante ang 3-point play. Ito na nga, medyo laylay na nga talaga ang ring. No, grabe naman kasi yung strength ni Mendenilla on the slamma jama. Sabayo to Asuer. Asuer attacking. Wata behind the back pass to Tiborcio. Tiborcio with a teardrop. And one. Grabe naman yung behind the back pass na yun. No, parang nag-gymnastic doon si Asuer. Tingnan natin ang replay.
Hindi naman siya pinahiya nitong si Tiborcio.
Tama.
Gandang pivot.
And of course, that hook shot and pivot is brought to you by Hotel Venetia.
Yes.
So ito, tingnan natin kung makukompleto ni Tiborcio ang 3-point play. And he nailed it. No, Naga is known for a high percentage free throws shots.
And dito sa Team Naga, lahat to talagang dumaan sa pagiging varsity players.
Tama. And ito na, Layosa missing and Fortun cleaning the shot for him. Lim, dribbles, bounce pass to Asuer. Asuer fires the bomb. No good. Tiborcio with a fadeaway, Mendenilla rather, with a fadeaway shot. Napagandang tira ni Owen Mendenilla. Fortun once again with a reverse layup, rebounding his own shot, and that's a turnover. Lim to Asuer. Back to Lim. Lim controlling the traffic. Dribbles. Generating still the play for his team. To Mendenilla. To the big guy. Back to Mendenilla. Mendenilla against the guard. Fortun. Good defense on his side. But there was an action there between the big man and Inandan. No? So nagkaroon ng konting lambingan si Tiborcio at Inandan.
Ito na yung kailangan tutukan ng mga referees natin, Jello.
Tama, no? Lalo na dito sa mga gantong laro.
Yes, kasi yun nga, too much aggressiveness and pagdating naman dito sa Team Naga, it's how they absorb that playing physicality nitong Team Lupi. Sana matutukan ng referees natin to avoid this kind of scenario.
Kasi while no, these are result of hot moments in the game, no? We still want to avoid further injuries kasi again, no, these are just the quarterfinals. Meron pa tayong semifinals and finals. So they have to maintain their best physical health. No, nire-review na ng ating referee yung off-ball action there. No, it was away from the ball. So titingnan natin kung ano yung consequence, kung ano yung tawag na ibibigay ng ating mga professional SBP referees. So I think they've arrived at the decision. Yes, of course, they have their team head here as well, no? Si Sir Faraon.
Yes, and again, kailangan maging maingat dito ang mga players ng Team Naga, even the coaches, on how they handle this scenario.
Tama, because out of emotion usually, no, we will rush.
Yes, and at the same time, paano kung may ma-technical or may ma-unsportsmanlike na naman, ma-thrown out of the game, and on your next game, hindi ka makakalaro.
Grabe. So that was a hard...
Yun yung sinasabi natin. So sa
foul,
next game, hindi siya makakalaro niyan.
Yan, very yun. That's a disqualifying foul on Tiborcio. And of course, the coaching staff is not happy with that. No, Sir Coach Nuki
Yes,
is
but
complaining.
yun nga, review na ng game officials natin.
Tama.
And na-announce natin.
Tama. And in any kind of ball game, the referee's decision is final and irrevocable. So even though Tiborcio is explaining himself that he was hurt above the knee, tingnan natin if what will happen further. So tingnan natin, ito yung replay. Tingnan natin. So here's the action on the off ball.
Okay.
And there you go. He was grabe. And there you have it. I think you cannot complain with that movement. The left and right, sabi niya ni Zenki, kuko ni Diva.
Ano comment ako dyan pagdating?
Pero we have to listen to their side. Pero the camera won't lie on the decision, of course.
Yes, and I think the game officials will give us a good judgment call.
Okay.
A right judgment call.
So they are reviewing it again, because there was heavy pressure din yung ginawa ng Team Lupidon. And
yes, I think linalaban nitong Team Naga si Julius kasi yun nga on their next game, if hindi natin, I don't know kung sino yung makakalaban nila, hindi ito makakalaro.
Ganun
si
ba yung
Julius.
consequence ng disqualifying foul?
Yes,
So
may one suspension game ka kapag na-disqualify ka.
So very risky.
Yes.
And grabe yung consequences na mangyayari. Mapipilayan ng isang big man ng Team Naga if ever masusustain yung tawag kanina. So yan, tingnan natin kung ano yung tawag. And I think the pain that was felt above the knee for Tiborcio there was a result of resisting and trying to get out. And after that, that is still
the judgment
is still sustained.
Yes.
Disqualifying foul and ejection of the game. So I think that's final because it has been they've made 2 reviews. So though Tiborcio was disappointed there, he have to leave the court. So the game still continues, mga kaibigan. Again, these are part of basketball game. Lalo na pag ganito, kainit ang labanan, may konti talagang lambingan. Lambingan moments na tinatawag natin within the players.
Ikaw partner, sa partner mo, sa totoo, ganyan ka rin ba maglambing?
No, yan ang no comment partner. Ba't mo naman sisikuin yung partner mo? Pero again, these are probably, these are not intentional naman. Kasi you are aiming to score, you are trying to shake off your guard. So minsan, yung mga swings natin, unconsciously.
Yes, and minsan yung nagiging instinct ng isang players is to guard himself as well.
Tama. And of course, at the end of the day, these players, magkakabarkada pa rin to.
Yes.
Kasi they are teammates from a certain municipality. Pag dumadayo, nagkakampi sila. So, magkakilala na to. So,
in other leagues, nagkakalaban na talaga sila.
Tama. So, yan, I think the side is still unhappy. Meron pang mga complaints on the bench. Pero I think the ball must continue rolling and the game must go on. Because, again, the foul was already called and we have to move forward with the remaining players on the court. Ito na.
Yeah, ulitin natin. Team Naga, itong mga players, kailangan nila mag-ingat for this last 3 minutes.
They cannot afford to lose one more player.
Yes.
Kasi if that's the case, it would be a win for Team Lupi, eliminating a lot of players in this game. Hindi man namin kayo natalo, napilayan namin kayo.
And we cause you a lot of problem.
Tama. Lim to Almario. But of course, no, what we promote is a clean basketball. So sana wala na mangyari. Napakagandang bounce pass, no, dropping a dime there to Sabayo. But Sabayo failing to convert it into a 2-point. Ito na ang ating small runner with a run and gun. Pero wala. Ito na, Mendinilla loses his guard.
Naamoy mo ba? Naamoy ko. Partner dyan.
Amoy fried chicken.
Yes.
Pero grabe ang hustle nito ni
Makasinan.
Kanina pa to na very commendable player. Na both offense and defense. Heart strong. So I'll remember Team Lupi. No, I've covered 2 of their games.
Isang beses ko lang to na-cover nung naglaro sila sa Sangay.
Pero grabing puso ito.
Yes,
and of
pero
course,
nung naglaro sila, 5 lang sila nun eh.
Against Sangay?
Yes.
Sino nanalo doon, Coach JP?
Sangay.
Sangay, of course. No? Grabe. Pero they still showed us a good fight there. So ito naman si Lupi, I can't forget the game that I covered with them versus Nabwa. Kasi si Naga naman, of course, we have to give a lot of compliments to Team Naga kasi they are,
Kompleto, Ricardos.
Tama. Kumbaga, eto na.
Powerhouse.
Mendinilla.
Yes, kumbaga, nung panahon ni Michael Jordan, may dream team. Ito, mukhang ito yung dream team ng Naga.
Dream team ng Camarines Sur.
Yes.
Nasa Naga. Layosa, dribbles. Intercepted by Lim and Almario, but recovered. Here we go. Si Agravante pulls up a jumper. No good. Forton recovering for the next attempt. Layosa from the corner. Still no luck on his 3 points attempt. Riego releases another 3 and he nailed it. And with that, medyo bumukonti na yung Kalamangan. That's last 2 minutes call by our Game Arena announcer JV. Sabayo shoots, trying to recover. Layosa, nice behind the back pass. Napagandang pasa sana yun, inandan, pero I think you don't need to show off on the last
very clear advantage from 2 versus 1.
Tama.
Just an easy pass.
Easy pass sana, a fake and a pass would do, pero
yes.
Maybe it's an instinct of a player, especially high caliber players itong nasa Team Naga and Team Lupi. Sabayo securing 2 points there.
We're down with our last minute, 1 minute and 19 seconds.
With a score 89-68. Still leading from the get-go. Naga, Layosa, spins, fades away. No good. Mendinilla dribbles to Asuer. Asuer to Lim. Lim to Mendinilla. Looking for someone. Sabayo once again. Back-to-back points for Sabayo. Parang walang kahirap-hirap. Bumuslo ng 2 points.
Basic na basic.
Basic na basic. Piece of cake. Ika nga. Layosa. Pass it to the corner for 3. Asuer. Securing the ball. And I think nagsisimula nang magsialisan ng mga tao sa venue natin.
Alam na nila.
That this ball game is over. And we are just waiting for the clock to run down to formally announce the winner of the game. Now, Lim, ending the clock down with 5 seconds. I think hindi na nila ito ititira. But Layosa, that's the heart of a basketball player. Heart strong pa din.
And they start strong, they end it
Tama.
strong.
Layosa still wants to inbound the ball with the 12 seconds. Very commendable player.
Yes.
But yan, we have shake hands already and we drained the clock. So that ends our very exciting ball game with a score 91-68. The winner, as expected, Team Naga. But still, sa mga taga-Team Lupi, don't be disheartened. It was a good game, well played. So ito, we're seeing the highlights of the game as Sablaon showers 3-pointer. But again, closing the gap is Team Lupi with their 3 points shots as well. Now, this game is brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List and the Congressman Saldico. Katawang nakakasurog pa. And of course, we would like to thank our sponsors, Misibis Bay, Cagaray Island, Highlands Legazpi, Hotel St. Elise, and Hotel Venetia. So, ano sa tingin mo, Coach JP, ang kailangan gawing adjustment ng Team Lupi after being defeated, no, in this particular ball game?
Yes, unang-una, I'm concerned with their health right now. Kailangan mo na lang mag-recover, syempre. Recover sila, tulog sila because I know bugbog sila sa game na to against Team Naga. And siguro they need to find other persons that can help Layosa. Kasi as we all know, yung Layosa talaga yung heart and soul ng team nila. So kailangan nilang makahanap ng iba na makakatulong kay Layosa.
And I think this game is a good experience for them because nakita naman natin, no, may mga pusong player din. Like ni Makasinag, no, that is bursting in and out.
Smallest players inside the court, pero siya yung pinakamalaking puso.
And we have Forton in Liaba. No? They just have to find their core strength and then maximize it on their next game.
Yes.